Good morning, traders. Richard here doing a quick Ichimoku Cloud Chart market review of the QQQ ETF. So far, so good. We got a rebound from this cluster of cloud chart support level. These levels were also significant support levels on the weekly, daily, and quarterly Ichimoku Cloud. Back above the 610 exponential moving average, that's good. Now battling the 377 exponential moving average there to see if the support there is going to come back in. But the good news is we're back above the standard line of the Ichimoku Cloud. We managed to get past the front end cloud chart resistance, and now we're approaching this kind of trend line resistance zone there. So we need to see a breakout past that zone there, and then the upside target is the top end of the front end of the cloud, that resistance zone there. Just put a line in there. So keep an eye on for resistance to come in into this range between 471 and 478 when we've got that 244 exponential moving average there to deal with there. So that's the upside resistance targets, 471 and then the 478 zone there. The bottom in the cloud here will act as resistance, and we really need to see the QQQ break past this top end cloud chart resistance to be bullish on the daily Ichimoku Cloud. But so far so good. Nice rebound rally finally did come through after this downward continuation pattern. So there is still some downside risk for a further move down because price action below the cloud is bearish, but we were swing trading these support rallies back up to resistance. But keep an eye on for this 471 resistance zone between 471 and 478 on the daily. Looking at the 4-hour Ichimoku, you can see the bottom in the cloud here is still significant resistance, but so far so good. Got our rebound rally, and the bottom end of the front end of the cloud is a key support zone to watch out for, as well as the standard line and the turning line of the Ichimoku Cloud. Yeah, keep an eye on that to see that these support levels, if these support levels hold, we might get a breakout past the top end of the cloud. Yeah, but the 4-hour is still bearish. We're not out the woods yet. We need a breakout past this resistance zone, so keep a very close eye for the price interaction at this trend line, as well as the bottom end of the cloud there for the resistance to be tested. So this zone, yeah, these lows here is going to become quite a significant resistance zone on the 4-hour. Just back to the weekly, let's have a look at there quickly. You can see the fantastic rebound back above the bottom end of the cloud. You can see the top end of the cloud is a critical resistance zone, as well as these bottom end of the front end of the cloud. So keep an eye on this 471 zone there, as well as this 475. These are critical resistance zones on the weekly. But so far so good. Back above the bottom end of the cloud, so we can see this rebound rally run into a little bit of trouble at this resistance zone, then snap back to rebound from the bottom end of the cloud, and then continue higher if the macro picture improves. But just keep an eye on this front end cloud chart resistance on the weekly. But back to the daily. Watch out for a trend line breakout here, and watch out for resistance to come back in at this 471 as well as this 478 exponential moving average. Until next time, happy cloud chart trading. Bye for now.